Yo, what's going on, everyone? We're back at it with another PrizePicks video, and man, we crushed it yesterday, Sunday, March 17th, man. It was a good day for us in terms of our PrizePicks plays. So let's go ahead, let's keep on crushing it, and let's give y'all a winning 4-man 10x play today, because we're this close to cashing that 4-man 10x play on the free YouTube play that I sent out yesterday, Jalen Duran. So here we go up here. I put this one out on my free YouTube. We took Irving over assists, Grady under PRA, Gary to go over his points plus assists, and then Duran to go over his points, rebounds, and assists as well. And Jalen could not get that over PRA, man. It was unfortunate, but it is what it is. I mean, we're what is that? 7 points away, 7 points away from 7 PRA away from cashing it. Oh man, so close, but it's all good. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna come back and give y'all a winning play today. We went ahead and cashed this Luka plus Lillard. So this one I sent out the VIP. This one cashed. I put 25 to go ahead and win me $75 on that one. And then we also went ahead, so close to cashing this one as well. Joel Ingles couldn't get that block plus steal. And then we got this winner right here. We took this 3-man play. I also sent this out on my VIP. So if y'all want to go ahead and get on my VIP, make sure you do that. It's called the website is winnable.com/DSP. The link is in the description down below. The offer that I do is I have a day pass, I got the month, and I got the week, right? So if you buy the month pass or the week pass and we do not profit in that week or month that you purchase, you will get the next one completely for free. Same thing goes for the day pass, man. If you buy the day pass and we do not profit on the day that you purchase it, I will give you the rest of the week for free. Literally the rest of the week for free. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's continue to keep crushing it. You can see here we're coming off a nice day yesterday, and then this is a free play that I sent out. Man, it was a late night. It was a late play. I unfortunately could not cash, but we are hugely in the green today, man. Big greens all over. So let's go ahead. Let's go straight to what we gotta talk about, right? If y'all don't have Sleeper, man, this is not, there you go. If y'all don't have Sleeper, do me a favor. Download the Sleeper app using my code DSP. The link is also down below, right? If you use my link to download the Sleeper app, I will give you an entire month free of my VIP picks, man. 1 month free access of my VIP picks just by downloading the app. So make sure you go ahead, get on that, do that. And here is where you can go ahead and get all my VIP plays, right? It's called winnable.com/DSP. You can see here, all you gotta do is go down. You subscribe to a plan, you get your plays on your phone, and then all you have to do is tell them. That's literally it. And you can see here, I got the free plan, I got the day pass, and of course, you could purchase it for $50 per week or $150 per month, right? And like I said, if you buy the day pass and we do not profit in that day that you purchase it, I will go ahead and give you the entire week for free. Especially today, man. I feel real good about all the plays that we have today. A lot of good games going on, and that's why I want to go ahead and create a 4-man 10x play out of today's plays. So let's go over to the website that I make all my player props. It's called the playerpropshop.com. If y'all haven't used it, man, stop sleeping on this website. This thing is badass. It literally gives you the best player props available that you could use on not just PrizePicks and Underdogs, just player props in general. So if you have like FanDuel or something like that, or other apps or websites that allows you to do player props, like just a straight player prop bet, like let's say Murray over points, man, you could literally just boom, pop that in there, right? So they're offering a free week completely for free. All you have to do is add a week subscription to your cart and use code PropShop at checkout. It's as simple as that. And you can see here, they got their day access, they got their month, they got the week, and they got the entire year access. I'm on the year access because it's pretty badass, where if you buy it now, you'll have it all the way till March 18, 2025. That means you'll have it for the entire NFL season. All right, the entire NFL season. So let's go on over. Let's go to the first player prop that we have. And the first player prop is DeJounte Murray over 24.5 points. This line already bumped up to over 25.5 points, but without Trae Young, DeJounte Murray's points and just field goal attempts have skyrocketed. It is insane. If y'all look at his stats, he is hitting and he's getting about, like, when it's not a blowout. Yesterday was a blowout, so we cashed on DeJounte Murray's points projection yesterday, right? If you go here, So he cashed this one for us over here, right? DeJounte Murray over 20.5 points. This is the St. Patty's Day special that PrizePicks gave out, and man, it was oh man, I'm sure everybody was sweating this play. I'm sure everybody put money on this, and man, this barely cashed for us in the fourth quarter by a free throw. It is insane. I almost feel like they put him in just so it could cash for PrizePicks. I don't know. That was kind of crazy. But man, I was kind of worried about it. I was like, man, this is some BS. I did not expect them to blow out the Clippers. But there you go. That's the NBA, right? But anyways, going back to this player prop, the Hawks going up against the Lakers tonight. Man, this line set at minus 125 with a 24.5 point spread. But we're at 25. The line on PrizePicks is at 25.5 points. So we're still going to go ahead and take him over 25.5 points, right? Murray has been averaging 22.3 points. But like I said, with Trae Young out, man, his usage has gone up significantly. I'm still going to go ahead and take him over 25.5 points going up against the Lakers today. I don't expect another blowout, man. Definitely not another blowout. Yes, it's back-to-back, so sometimes I'm a little worried about taking players back-to-back, but I mean, DeJounte Murray has no choice right now because Trae Young is not on the floor. So, they have to rely a lot more on DeJounte Murray, right? So we're going to go ahead and take him over his point projection there. And then we're going to go ahead and combine that with Jarrett Allen under 29.5 points plus rebound. This line is set at minus 120. And yes, although Jarrett Allen can easily cash this, the last time that he went up against Indiana this year, he only had 10 points, 7 rebounds in 21 minutes of play, right? So under 29.5 points plus rebounds for Jarrett Allen is definitely possible, say, going up against Indiana. Like I said, last time he only had 10 points and 7 rebounds in 21 minutes of play, man. So let's definitely make sure you go ahead and lock that in. And then let's start making the play. Let's start making the play before I start getting a little ahead of myself, right? So I hate type in DeJounte Murray over 25.5 points. So we go here, right? You can see he went ahead and cashed his 3 of the last 5 games. So he got 33, 40, and 41, man. So yes, 25.5 seems high, but without Trae Young, he's been doing it because he's a shooter, man. Once he gets a hot hand with those threes, he could just let it fly. So then we're also taking Jarrett Allen under 29.5 points plus rebounds. All right, so under 29.5 points plus rebounds going up against Indiana. You can see here, he hasn't hit this in 4 of the last 5 games. Another reason to go ahead and take his under points plus rebounds here. So let's lock that in, man. Then we're also so that we're not done. Like I said, we're going to make a 4-round play, and we're going to combine it with one of the plays that's not a player prop shot, but I really, really like is Anthony Simmons. To go ahead and get under 3.5 turnovers. Yes, this is a little bit unorthodox play. But look, so he hit over, right, in 3 of the last 5 games, but he's going up against the Chicago Bulls, and the Bulls are a very slow-paced team. The slowest, if not one of the slowest paced teams in the NBA. And then again, to add to that, the last time that the Blazers played against the Bulls which was in January of this year, he only got 1 turnover because of that, right? With such a slow-paced team, the amount of turnovers are very unlikely just because it's just a slower pace, right? A lot less mistakes happen. So let's go ahead. Let's lock in Anthony Simmons or Simons, whatever, right? To get under that 3.5 turnovers. And then we're going to go ahead. And I mean, obviously this line is being inflated because of these days right here where you 5 and 6 turnovers. That's insane. We're going to go ahead and take that under 3.5 turnovers, man. And then we're going to combine it with the last play of the day. We're going to take Lauri Markkanen. So Lauri Markkanen under his 32.5 points, rebounds, and assists. The reason we're taking Lauri is because like if you go here to his chart, he hasn't played a game since March 2nd, right? He played against Miami on March 2nd, and man, I just don't see him getting the same amount of minutes that he normally gets, especially, I mean, right now, Utah isn't trying to win any games again, right? I mean, it's not like they got amazing postseason hopes, right? So with Lauri just coming back from an injury, right? Like I said, he hasn't played since March 2nd. It's been like 2 weeks. I don't see him getting enough minutes for him to go ahead and cash this over 32.5 points, rebounds, and assists, which is why we're going to go ahead and take his under today, going up against Minnesota. Obviously, Minnesota is a very, very good defensive team. Rudy Gobert might not play, but regardless, I still like Laurie to get under that 32.5 PRA, just because, like I said, if it is a blowout, obviously they're not going to put him in there, right? And even though if it's not a blowout, because it's his first game back from injury, I just don't see him getting enough minutes for him to go ahead and cash this over. So that is the play that we have for today. We're taking DeJounte Murray over 25.5 points, Jarrett Allen under 29.5 points plus rebounds, and Freddie Simmons or Simons to go under 33.5 turnovers, as well as Lauri Markkanen to go under 32.5 points, rebounds, and assists. So it's pretty much an underplay. The only over that we have is DeJounte Murray to go over 25.5 points. But man, let's go ahead. Let's lock it in. Let's lock this in. I'm going to go ahead and put $25 to win $250 on that one. All right, let's lock that sucker in. All right, everyone, those are the plays for today. And make sure you lock them in, man. Make sure you go ahead and get on the VIP or go to theplayerprop.com. Like I said, they're offering you a 1-week subscription absolutely for free, so you could just go ahead and try it out, see if you even like it. And like I said, if you get the day pass of my VIP, and if we do not profit today, you will get the entire week for free. All right, everyone, let's go ahead, let's make some money today, and I'll see y'all when we're a little bit richer.